How do I stupid menu in Gorilla Tag? I had to take this thing like 3 damn times already. So you want to open your file. You want to make sure your plugins are there. And then, don't mind that. Then you want to drag stupid menu in here. You want to drag it in here. Now close it. You want to do these. FNX, Utila, Inject, TP Loader, and that one right above it, right there, the one check mark. So now you want to hit install / update, and now you have mods. Now you can just launch Gorilla Tag. Even when I'm lost on words now, bro. Now you want to. You can play without a VR if you want to play on VR. Now you have II stupid menu. If you want to know, look, I have II stupid menu. Now let me do something. Hold on, I just dropped my Mountain Dew all over me. Hold on. God damn, bro. Alright, now this is what you can do. If you do this, if you press W, you can move. But you have to. God damn! I've slipped. Oh my god! You have to have this, the middle one. Bye. God.